Hi, this is the ALCATEL 1T10 Smart 2022 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first you should open the settings, then tap here to the display section, click to wallpaper. You could use photos from the Google Drive, the live wallpapers, or also the default wallpapers from your device, or to use photos from your device gallery. So let's for example use this one. Tap on the left upper corner to set wallpaper, select lock screen, and that's it. So let's just check. As you can see, that's so simple. Also, you could make it by another way. Just hold for a while home screen with your finger, tap to wallpapers, and here you'll see the same wallpapers, live wallpapers, and Google Photos. Just select one from the available folders, and by the same way, tap on the left upper corner, select lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.